The HPS Rotomatrix is a robust, efficient, cost-effective liquid transfer and distribution system. There are many benefits to having an HPS Rotomatrix in your facility. The system is quick to set up and you can reliably connect multiple sources to multiple destinations, reducing the number of dedicated lines that you have, and removing the need for hoses. Multiple transfers and concurrent pigging sequences are possible with the Rotomatrix, saving you time and labor while minimizing the chances of connection errors. The HPS Rotomatrix is space efficient and removes trip hazards from the surrounding area. It is the ideal replacement for traditional flow plates and bend panels, and reduces the possibility of spills significantly. Finally, the HPS Rotomatrix has a low cost of ownership, and because it is fully piggable from start to finish, it pays for itself. Find out more by contacting HPS.